I survived Christmas. And when I say that, I mean, yeah, the blizzard. As you can tell from my hair, I've been wearing a stocking cap and doing some shoveling, but I'm not even going to bother finishing the job. I just cleared out the sidewalk, cleared out the two doors, and then I went for a walk. And so this footage all comes from last night when the blizzard started, and on through probably about 1 o'clock p.m. on the day after Christmas. I was going to take this laptop down for work, and when I say down, I mean to Rapid City. I don't know when that's going to happen, but anyway, I'm home, I'm safe, I'm warm, and that's what matters, right? So I hope you enjoy, and if you don't live in North Dakota, I hope it makes you really insanely jealous. Well, hello. It's about, not even about, it's 20 of 7 right now, and we're in the middle of a blizzard. I'll throw up a picture of the map of driving in North Dakota right now. As you can see, no travel unless you live over near Fargo. So, I don't live near Fargo, I live on the opposite end of the state. So, let's take a peek out the front door. Wrong light. Well, that didn't help worth at all. So, yeah, there are steps there. Oh, look at that. Piled up in front of the door. Perfectly straight. And, yeah. So, I am super glad I'm not traveling tonight. And you should see it out on the highway, which I did not drive on, but it's interesting. So, be glad you're home. And a Merry Christmas blizzard to you, wherever you are. Alright, so, you can't see anything yet, but I'm going to close that video off with what it's like outside right now. I didn't look at the time, but whatever. As I finish that video, oh my, there's the car. More buried than it was. Yay. At this point, I don't even want to get up tomorrow. I will be shoveling. Good gravy, look at the drifting around the car. Ick. So, yeah, that'll be fun tomorrow. I'm going to bed. So, it's now morning in these next couple of videos. So, I took some shots right away in the morning, and then I went out later to shovel and walk around. So we'll show you all of that as well. Can't even see through the front windows. Okay, looking out looking out the front door. Oh my. Oh my. Yeah, there's a sidewalk out there somewhere. Street. Neighbor's house. I think I know what I'm doing this afternoon after the blowing stops. Alright, so it's morning. Let's see what's out there. I just realized I'm barefoot. Neighbor's house. Neighborhood. Buried car. Ew. Alright, I just got done shoveling just the front sidewalk, and since I'm out anyway, we're going for a little walk. So let's take a look around the backyard. Check out that drift. Check out the neighbor's drift. Check out that car. Yeah, I'm not going to bother right now, but that's a project coming. Alright, so I had to dig out around the furnace vents. One's an exhaust, one's an intake. And yeah, they were drifted shut. So I had to deal with that. That was like I have to. And then we'll walk to the front of the house, but not to the sidewalk because that was deep. We'll go this way. By the way, check out that. Let's look back. Oh yeah. So the snow is done, mostly, but the wind is still going on. So that's why I'm not doing much more shoveling. Yeah. In fact, that's worthy of a picture. Alright, so I shoveled that. It may drift shut, but I just needed to get outdoors. Check out the neighbor's cool house. I think she's away. She's in for a surprise when she gets home. If I feel ambitious after I do mine, I might do hers. This guy plowed out right in front of his driveway, but that's it. The streets are not yet plowed. So I think the city made a small pass here just so emergency traffic can get through, but that's about it. Or maybe it's a guy plowing snow, I don't know. So there's some people going to take care of that house with all the drifts in front of it. They have a can of gas and a snowblower in the garage behind it, so yeah, I'm not going to have to go dig by hand after all. We'll keep this on them for a minute so you can see how deep it is. Sorry about the shaky handheld, it's just an iPad. Yeah, look how deep that snow is. I may be adding the narration later. Shit. The garden is under there somewhere. There's the corner of it. This is the alley. Yeah, not too worried about trash pickup today. It's not going to happen. Exposed picture. This is even in town what can happen if you try driving in this weather. There's the corner. Looking down toward the school. The gyroscope's starting to fail because it's cold. But I decided not to walk down toward the school. You can see why. Well, there's starting to be a little traffic out on the highway. They had to clean out the gas station here. I talked to the lady inside. She said it's been dead all morning. But I think people are starting to go out. The highway's progress is being made. Actually, part of the parking lot is pretty well drifted clear. And then we have other parts. Well, since I started filming this whole process, it does look like a minimal road has been cleared out, but I just crawled through a bunch of snow so I don't have breath. Well, I'm not the only one with snow problems. This poor lady's driveway. Should I email her a picture? She's off having Christmas with her family. That neighbor has a snowblower. But I think I was wrong about those minimal roadways because my street still looks the same. Well, I'm back indoors and I'm going to stay here for a while. I might go out and just dig around the car a bit, but since they haven't even plowed the street in front of my house yet, I'm not going to go too close to the street because they're just going to fill it up with snow anyway, because that's what they do. But yeah, it's a mess. And it's moisture, so I guess that's good. If you ever noticed in my garden videos, I have two stumps in the garden. They're both covered by snow drifts. You can kind of see the top of the one. The other one is just totally invisible. So, yeah, lots of snow out there. And we'll see what happens. Okay, just when I think I've seen it all, I look outside the window and I see this going on. I have no clue what they're doing. They were spinning out in the corner there while I was looking earlier. And I suppose I could step outside and film this better and not through the screen, but you know, that might be a little too obvious. I don't know. Oh my gosh. Well, this is where the city had that sort of plowing job done, so bye.